Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to see how an account can be automatically created from a deal. The deal object manages opportunities your sales team is working on, while the account object stores confirmed customer details for long-term relationship management. Converting deals into accounts is important because a closed deal represents a confirmed customer. Automating this step saves time, avoids manual errors, and keeps all customer data consistent for future sales, support, and communication. So here's how this automation works. The moment a new deal is created, the automation gets triggered. It then maps the fields from the deal record to the corresponding fields in the account object. And finally, a new account record is created automatically with the mapped information. Let's see how to configure it step by step. It all begins when a new deal is created in the system. That event should trigger the automation. To achieve this, I configured the From Object node. Since Deals is a dynamic object, I selected the object type as Dynamic, and then chose the Deals object from the Sales module. For the record action, I selected Create, because I want the automation to begin whenever a new deal record is created. With this, the system knows that every time a deal is added, the flow should automatically start creating an account. Next, I want the details from the deal to flow into the account. For this, I use the Field Mapping node. Here I set Deals as the source object and Accounts as the target object. Then I map the key fields between the two. For example, the deal name is mapped to the account name. The deal assignee is mapped to the account assignee. Created by is mapped to created by. The deal value amount is mapped to the annual revenue field, and the opportunity type is mapped to the account type. You can continue to map more fields by clicking the Add button, depending on the information you want to carry over. This mapping ensures that the most important data moves over seamlessly, eliminating repetitive manual effort and maintaining accuracy. Once the mapping is completed, we need to actually create the account record. For this, I use the Record node. Here, I selected the object as Accounts, set the record as Parent, and the action as Create, because we want a brand new account record to be generated from the deal. Finally, I close the automation with the End node, and that's it. Just like that, every new deal automatically generates a new account in the CRM. This keeps your data consistent, saves valuable time for your sales team, and ensures that your workflow is as smooth as possible. With auto account creation from deal, you can streamline operations, reduce manual errors, and focus on what really matters, growing your business.